What up? Jeff here with all my ICP Renegades. And today we are actually we're in a good place. We actually have Bitcoin breakout starting to go a parabolic a little bit. And we are starting to recover, just like I didn't really think we were gonna break that level. But my videos were telling you and letting you know that there's a possibility if we go lower, this is where we go. Now I'm always bullish on ICP. So I was telling you, you can only accumulate at under $5 for a little while. We were only under $4.50 for 10 weeks out of the entire bear market. So I really didn't think we were going to go below 450, but if we did, I wanted you to be prepared. Having some buy orders in, but every time it goes under $5, I want to put a leverage trade in every single time because we already had our bottom. So basically, we're gonna bounce off of right around $5, and if that breaks, maybe 450 is the lowest. So that's definitely something you want to keep your eye on if you're trading, or even dollar cost averaging ICP, so you can get it at the best prices. I know some people like just 450. He had a $3 average, and then it went up to about $5 or something. And if he got in at under $5, like 480, he could have dropped that average down even lower. Now we're at $5, and we're going to see if we're going to keep going up, or are we going to go test 450 again. I'm going to let you know if Bitcoin keeps going bullish, we're not going down. We're going to actually start to have another rally, and we could be looking at a $6 and then an $8 ICP going into crypto spring, getting out of our crypto winter, our bottom, and everything else. So I want to talk about a couple things. I will keep my eye on the chat if you guys want to leave a good question. I'm going to give 0.5 ICP, which is right around $2.50 right now, to two different people in the chat. If we can get 50 likes, give me your best comments here. And guys, if you watch till the end, you get a couple more people to come over here, we'll definitely be able to do that. But I'm going to need your help to like, comment, and share to get this out here. We need more comments right now, guys, in order to get this done. So thank you guys for showing up and everything else. So let's get into a couple things ICP right now. Wow, YouTube is horrible right now. They're beating my channel down. I answered a survey for YouTube the other day. Before I got sick, let's just talk about this for a minute, because if not, it's going to eat at me. I'm not complaining or anything. I'm just stating the obvious. Before my mouth surgery, I would get no less than 100 views every single live stream I would do, because I got to a place where I had a group of people, at least 100 people, that would watch me every single time. I left for 2 weeks before and it didn't wreck my channel. Well, I come back now and I'm barely getting 50 views per video, which is half of what I normally get. And I need your guys' help. I'm not going to complain. I'm going to call my people. Will you guys do whatever you can to help me get my videos just back up there so that we can, have our normal again, and then we'll be good. But I need your guys' help, especially my long-term people. Get over here, comment, like, share. That helps a lot too. Like if you're on District or Reddit or any of those places, get over there and share it. Let's get this done. Because I'm actually doing really good in my grant, getting people to join ICP and get new, tokens, and get people on Hot or Not and other things. I'm doing my grant good. My videos are just kind of doing bad right now, and I just want to kind of balance it out. But even if not, if I can get more people on the ICP, blockchain and wallets and NFTs, then I've done my job. But let's get the channel going. We want more people to hear about ICP, and this is a way I communicate a lot of the stuff for you guys. All right, let's move on to some news for the day. We're just going to keep trucking along here because you guys are awesome, and I want you to know what's going on in the ICP community. And then we'll get into some price talk. But before we do that, let's do that right there. Oh, yeah, follow ICP Renegades on Open Chat. Go join me on Open Chat, especially if you've never been there before. I will give you that link real quick. Let me just go grab it for you. Get you my Open Chat link. Get over there. Join that group. I will give you a little reward. I'll give you like 0.1 ICP or something, or 0.05 ICP for joining my group right now. If you join it right now, I'll give you 0.5 ICP. I'll have to send some over there. But yeah, people are being active over there. Great, cool. Let's see, right there we have 76 members, which is double what we had last week, which is good. Thank you guys. You guys are solid. Everything is doing good except my YouTube. That's when I start to wonder, especially when the market recovers. This is when my channel does good. So I just need your help to get me back to where I was, guys. That's all I'm saying. No complaints here. I'm just going to bust my butt and do what I do. And I know I'm worth 100 views per video. And 50 likes is nothing. We've had 50 likes at least 100 times in my day. So we can do 50 likes. I want to give away some ICP. I'm going to give away 0.25 ICP to anybody who makes a good comment by the end of this video, 50 likes or not. 0.25 ICP. Get to commenting right now, and I will send you some ICP. And I will ask you to either DM me or go to one of my channels to send me your address. All right, let's get to some news. We are at 2 billion blocks on the internet computer. We're running around 37 blocks per second right now. Almost 5,000 transactions per second. 16,300 is the 90-day peak of transactions per second. And we're also getting into a massive amount of canisters too. Yeah, look at that. We almost have 300,000 smart contracts, canister smart contracts. So that's pretty cool. When you think about it, we're absolutely just keep on growing. Everything is looking really, really incredible. I love to see this thing over 5,000 transactions per second. It puts every other blockchain to shame when it comes to how many transactions we're just pumping out all the time. We have over 2 billion blocks made, and that's not just one transaction per block. Each block has a series of transactions, right? So that's a lot of transactions that are happening. I don't know. I'm not really a big tech guy, but I imagine that's a lot of transactions per block. So that's pretty cool. We're absolutely just kicking butt, getting more boundary nodes, more nodes set up, making it more decentralized. That's the kind of thing I like to see with Internet Computer. Now, let's go over to a tweet from the good old Dominic Williams. He is the boss of everything Internet Computer. He is the chief scientist at dfinity. He is the founder of ICP. And they just had another event. I know we just came out of ICPCC, which is Internet Computer Protocol Community event or whatever, community conference. And then there was also Ethereum EdCon and ICP. The ICP event at Ethereum EdCon got 350 signups. That's not bad. And the party went late into the night. Thanks to everyone who attended. The potential synergies between Ethereum and Internet Computer are epic. Now, let's talk for a second about that. Soon we are going to have the Internet Computer completely integrated with Ethereum. Now, that is major on every aspect and every level. Vitalik Buterin calls the Internet Computer a sister network to Ethereum because it can scale Ethereum the way no other blockchain can. The same way the Internet Computer has got into Bitcoin in a thing we call CKBTC or Chain Key Bitcoin, which has brought over $3 million to the Internet Computer in Chain Key Bitcoin, most of it being in this last month, this last week, this last 2 weeks of people being out there grinding. Shout out to Blockchain Boy. Shout out to Aaron sorry, it's hard to say your last name. Aaron, you guys know who he is. Bremser, I think that's how you say it. Then ICP Jesse, I think, was out there doing it. Who else? Daniel Crypto is Good, I think, was out there. I might be wrong about some other people, but they're doing really big things. The link is for my open chat group for ICP Renegades. I guess I should have put that there. Definitely. Let's see. Can I edit that? No. I'll put it here. Link above for ICP Renegades open chat join for a gift. There you go. You want to go over there and join, you can get a small gift. Thank you for commenting. That helps the algorithm kick into gear. The more comments, the better. Definitely moving forward. So let's get into some other stuff now from dfinity. Now, dfinity made this awesome tweet right here. The lighthouse is shining brighter than ever. IC Lighthouse and Mora app have come together to show up a real-time price feed for the top tokens in the ICP ecosystem. Now, basically what they've done is they've created a real-time feed for all of the ICP tokens, and this is huge. This is what we want to see, for development on the internet computer. We need more ways to interact and understand what our cryptos are doing, especially these ICP tokens that we're going to be talking about a little bit in this video as well. Stay to the end and definitely take some notes, guys, because we're going to be giving you good information to help you trade and just be active. That's what we do over here, guys. We're a crew of basically trying new things. I try so many different applications, dApps, Web3 gaming, NFTs. Guys, I have like 100 NFTs. And I do it because I support the projects. And sometimes I have to sell the NFT. That doesn't mean I don't support the project. It just means I have 100 of them. Sometimes you got to sell an NFT or two. But the internet computer just offers so much for so cheap and so fast. That's why I use it. I got sick of paying all my money in Ethereum gas fees. I was looking to get into NFTs on Ethereum. It was just too expensive. I was looking to get into NFTs on Solana. Too many blackouts, too much garbage. They're connected to FTX and SBF. One to stay away from that. That leaves the internet computer. Now, the cool thing in the future with the ETH integration, you will be able to trade Ethereum. This is what I'm excited about because I do want Ethereum NFTs. Well, you're going to be able to trade Ethereum NFTs on the internet computer blockchain. Not only does it scale DeFi for Ethereum, not only does it scale Ethereum, but it's going to bring Ethereum NFTs to the internet computer. That's what I'm excited about. I will be paying internet computer gas fees to interact with OpenSea, which is the Ethereum marketplace for Ethereum NFTs. You will be able to interact with that with your internet computer and your internet computer speed and your basically zero non-existent fee and your reverse gas fee, which means any dApps you interact with, you do not pay. The dApp pays for it in cycles. That's pretty cool. Oh, thank you for checking that out. Yeah, definitely join the group. And later on, I will go. Everybody who joined the group, I will send over like 0.1 ICP to you guys or something, just to say thank you for joining. And especially if you're new to Open Chat, that's even better. We want new people over here to the ecosystem. So, all right, now let's get back over to that dfinity post. Let's go check this out. I haven't checked it out yet, so I do want to check it out. And before we do that, one thing. So there is a token that I have been promoting, and I haven't been paid. I'm not part of the project or anything. I'm doing it as part of my grant to get more people on board. It's called Cook. Well, I talked to the guy. He said someone from his team took the money or whatever out of liquidity, and he's waiting for a neuron to dissolve in 17 days, and then he's going to put the liquidity back. I'm still able to buy and sell Cook tokens, so it's not a rug pull. But a lot of people are worried, and I just want to put you at ease. At least let's give him 17 days to prove himself. Now, if he's ripping everybody off, I'm giving it away free. So I'm not making people buy it or it costs money. I'm just giving it to you in your wallets. But be careful. It's meme coins, guys. Any meme coin could be gone tomorrow. Even the best one, right? You could buy Pepe. It could be gone tomorrow. Any meme coin could go away easily. But if you're getting it in an airdrop, you didn't spend any money anyway. So, yeah. But anyway, let's give him the benefit of the doubt. And if something does happen, he doesn't come back, I will be the first to let you guys know, hey, that happens. It's my fault for, promoting him, but let's move past this. I wouldn't buy a big amount of Cook until he proves himself and puts more liquidity back. I'm telling you that right now. I've kept my 2 ICP worth of cook in there. I've been able to trade it back and forth a couple times because I want to see if I can still trade. And until I can't trade anymore, I will still promote it because you can still add liquidity. You can still buy, sell, trade. I can buy and sell. I've done both, so it's still working right now. Just be careful, guys. Things happen, in the world or whatever, but nobody deserves to have a rug pull. Just be careful, guys. I don't want to see you do that. So, all right, let's move on to some price action now. First off, we're going to talk about some token prices. And as I told you, CK Bitcoin is absolutely taking over ICP swap here. As you see, total value locked over $1.68 million. Well, who are our culprits? Who are making it worth $1.68 million? The highest I've ever seen it here. Congratulations, ICP swap. Congratulations, projects who brought people over here. You guys are doing great. All right. So we have our ICP, which is $785,000 locked. That's a shout out to ICP swap directly right there. That's freaking amazing. Then we have our CKBTC just on ICP swap. You can trade this in other places, but just on ICP swap, they have $561,000 in total value locked. That is amazing. Now, the price is $27,400, the price of Bitcoin. You have your chat token right around 36 cents. That's a good place to get in there. But look at that, $73,000 locked. This is one of our big projects right here that I'm promoting that I think people should really get into. I've already made a $100 profit off of 300, and I was buying at 36, 34, 32, just dollar cost averaging, and then I made a nice $100 profit. I'm looking to do the same thing again to get in there. Then you have Dogme, a nice whopping 61,000 total value lock. Good job, Dogme. That's nice. And then the other one has 50,000. I think they're switching a token standard from one to the other, and that's why you have two different ones right there. Then you have your ICP with a nice $14,000 lock. All right, let's go look at some of these tokens now. Like say chat token. We're only going to look at this one real quick because we looked at it before. A nice amount of 7-day volume, almost $10,000. Not bad, not bad. We are at this low price. This is a support level, though, going all the way back. I would wait to see maybe dollar cost average a little bit at this price, but I would wait to see if we do go down lower. But with ICP recovering right now, this might actually be a bottom, a local bottom. Right, we had this big downtrend right here, all the way back since May 1st. We've been in a downtrend. We've hit kind of a bottom right here, but let's see if we get some momentum to the upside. 36 will be a good price if we're sitting here above 40, 43 cents, right? 42 cents right here. You're already 6 cents in the profit, and if you own like 1,000 tokens, you're making bank now. You're talking $600 profit or so. I mean, don't check me on that because that was just rambling, but I'm just saying, for instance, you can make a lot of money, So that's pretty cool. That's just chat token. Let's look at the CK Bitcoin just real quick. And then we'll look at Dogme. I was actually talking to Dogecoin Millionaire, or not talking, replying to one of his tweets. And wow, look at that. Look at that volume. 25,000, 8,000, 30,000, 16,000. 11,000, 16,000, 20,000. And this is just the beginning, guys. This is just this is a bear market FOMO right here. Wait till we get the bull market FOMO. You're going to see 100 million, 50 million, 80 million, stuff like that. So this is going to be great. This is the same thing as Bitcoin, except on the internet computer blockchain. It trades 1-for-1 for Bitcoin. Pretty interesting stuff. And next is Ethereum. So it'll be basically an $1,800 or $1,900 CK Ethereum, whatever the price of Ethereum is. Then you have your Dogme, right? Let's see if it's a good place to get into Dogme right now. Ooh, they had a nice big old pump back here in May. Dang it, I missed that one. I rode one of these up and made a little bit of profit, but this is the pump I was waiting for and I got out. Dang it, man. Oh man, I wish I would have got in. That's right when, if I would have put my money in the day I got my grant, I would have been able to ride this up. Dang it, I should have done that. Look at Dogme. That's a big gain, though. That is a massive gain. I mean, that's more than double. Yeah, you're talking about basically doubling your money in one day right there. Same with SNS, man. There's some cool stuff happening. And getting in at this big support level is not a bad idea. It might go a little lower, but I said again with ICP recovering, this could be a good bottom for Dogme too. That's a really good one. And if Dogecoin Millionaire gets into Dogme, that would be freaking cool because that's what I was talking to him about. I'm like, hey, he's like, hey, what what meme coin should I buy? And I'm like, dog me for sure, 100%, yo. Got to get that dog me. That dog me, baby. Then we have our SNS token. I absolutely love this one. It went parabolic the other day. Look at that volume. Bam, 20K in volume in one freaking day, dude. One freaking day. It didn't go up quite as high over here. It did have a nice little pump. But on IC Dex, it absolutely just freaking pumped all the way up to 66 ICP per SNS. And this is definitely one I'd be looking to get in right around $200. I wanted to get in below $200, but I slacked. They caught me slacking on my pimping, guys. They caught me slacking on my pimping. Ooh, yeah, 2 more days and I get my teeth. Or, well, this week I'll get them. 2 more days for my last fitting. Then I get my teeth, baby. Yeah. Yeah, so these freaking tokens are what's up, yo. Again, the best comment is going to get 0.25 ICP. So leave a cool comment. It could be about SNS tokens. It could be about open chat. It could be about ICPCC. It could be about EdCon. It could be about anything ICP. And the coolest question or comment will receive 0.25 ICP after the live. All right, so that's pretty cool. Let's look at some other tokens real quick. I kind of want to check out OGY. Where is that one? Because that's another one of my favorites. Box token too. I like box token. I want to say something really quick, and I think a lot of people need to hear this. When I do my videos, I am picking a certain thing for a certain time. There's so many good projects in the ICP ecosystem. If I haven't done a video on your specific project and you're wondering why, it's just because I haven't got to it yet. It has nothing to do with me not thinking you have an awesome project, because there's a lot of projects I've kind of skipped over that I'm waiting to do, until I have something good to put out there. I don't always just like to push content out there. I like to make good stuff. And if I haven't got to your project and one is box, I might have done 1 or 2 videos about it in the past, but I really need to make more videos about that, because box token is awesome. Boxy Dude NFTs are cool. And other ones, there's like a handful of them, like that I've kind of, glanced over that I don't mean to do that. Trust me, I want to shine all of your projects out there, but I can only do so many at one time. So just wanted to put that out there just because there's so many incredible projects, and I hope I can get all of you a video made. But why is the internet computer ICP coin blasting off? Well, let's get into that now. Let's look at some price action of internet computer. But I did want to look at OGY for a second, if we can find it here before we move on. There it is. And Xcanic too. This is another one I thought would do really well, and it's still stuck around. It only has 1.76K volume, and that's strange for OGY too. I'd like to see more volume in OGY, because look at these nice upticks right here. Yeah, 4K. Oh my gosh, look at all of these. So this must be from ICPCC and maybe EdCon and just some stuff like that. It reverberates through the whole community as you see a lot more volumes coming in now. And it has a lot of nice steady volume too, OGY. So I'm liking to see that. Let's look at the price. Ooh, and it's it's almost as low as it's ever been, guys. This is one I would absolutely 100%, not financial advice, get in right now. I wouldn't even wait for a lower price. This is the lowest. It might get a little lower, but if I had $1,000, I'd put like 800 in right now. Not even joking with you. That's just me, not financial advice. So I'm not saying to go do that, but this is at such a low price compared historically. And like I said, ICP is reversing because of Bitcoin is reversing too. Yeah. So, all right. Now, there's got to be another one or two we can look at here before we move on. I think people are more interested in these right now. I know ICP is blasting off. Baby Air Off token, another one that I would like to make a video about that I haven't really done really. Ghost token though. I know I've made a lot of videos about this one. It's just one of my favorites. I have to say this is one of my favorites. But look at that volume, 3.8 thousand. This has been a good month for volume. So, and I think they were picking it up at low prices back here in May, right? The first part of May. And now it's kind of dwindled off. I think they're just, picking it up, scooping it up. Look at those big pumps in April, May. See, I was out of action right here. Dang it. Or else I probably, maybe I wasn't. I know I led you to a couple of these pumps, but look at from the bottom all the way to the top. That's like a 3 to 4x right there. Yeah, that's a 3, definitely a 3x from bottom to top. And we are almost at the very bottom again. This is another good one to get in. It's had falling wedge after falling wedge, descending triangle after descending triangle. Sorry. And it's kept going down. But it looks like we're in a reversal point because when ICP goes down, so do its tokens, right? These are all ICP tokens. So that's another one. Ghost and OGY are looking really, really sexy to me right now. Really good. CK Bitcoin too, and chat. They all look good, dang it. I wish I could have them all. When I become a millionaire, I'm just going to buy my favorite tokens and just hold them. It sucks being kind of broke. I'm not broke, but, I'm not a millionaire. I can't just throw money into a token because I like it, I wish I could because I'd own all of these, And then Tendy. Now, this is the one I'm doing a little giveaway on Twitter. Go check it out. We're giving away 4 Tendies. And right now they're 27 cents a piece. So, that's a couple bucks. If you hang around my channel, you can make like 10, 20 bucks a week just by hanging out with my channel, earning, these little rewards, these little things that I do, because I like to reward my community, guys. You give me your attention and I like to reward it. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Just a bull flag right here break out. Ooh. It kind of looks like a top to me, though. Not going to lie. I'm not hating on Tendy, but I would be looking for, I don't know. The market's recovering, but yeah, I'm thinking we're going to probably have a little bit of a reversal. But I want to be, I could be wrong, but as you see this big wick up there, pushed down to the candle body, same here, we're definitely facing a big area of resistance. It did get up to about 31 cents, which is really awesome. I'm definitely going to dollar cost average into this, but I'm going to be waiting. I'm just going to wait on it. I'm going to wait like a week or two and see where it goes. And then I'll probably be dollar cost averaging again. It's just at too high of a price from where it started for me. Like at half, about 5 cents. Now it's up to 25. It's 5x. These are good tokens, man. And I like this, but I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait on that one. See, I give you the real stuff. I'm not going to say, oh, yeah, just throw all your money into a coin that's already topped out. Well, don't do that. Probably wait for it to go down. If you want to buy some now, it could go higher. But it's probably out of top, guys, honestly. Okay. Sometimes I just got to make sure you're still with me. All right, let's look at like one more, and then we'll get into some ICP. We might even look at Bitcoin a little bit just to see what we might be in for. Now, another one is IC Lighthouse. Now, this one has a DEX as well, the IC DEX, that I believe they have their own decentralized exchange, and that's where this token is from, I believe. And so, yeah, look at that nice volume, like, 500 to 1,000 a day. Back here on April 16th, I had about $3,000. Nice. So I can see there's potential in this. I'd like to see it do a lot better. So let's see. Ooh, and look where the price is. Yeah, I'm getting into this is where you want to get into a crypto. If a crypto is just released, though, it still might go up higher, tendies. But this is where I want to get into my crypto, is at the bottom. And this is looking like we're at a straight up the lowest price it's ever been. Yeah, this is like launch price, and it did go under it once right here. There was a big sell off, but man, yeah, this is looking delicious, scrumptious, looking tasty. I might need to get me some chicken tendies, man. I'm getting hungry. These making me hungry. They're so tasty. All right. What else? Star token? I hold that NFT and I just get all sorts of star token every week. Oh, here's Box. Box token, man. This is the one I need to watch. Yeah, we just need volume. It just needs more people to know about it, man. That's all. This is a great project, great token. Great what team too. The dude behind this is a really nice guy. I like him. Let's see here. Yeah, and we just dang it, we could have got it for a good price down here too. If I would have been talking about it the other day. But we're still at a nice lower price. It does kind of have these price jumps too. So yeah, this is a nice low price. It's not a bottom. I mean, it's close to a bottom though. We were at a bottom down here for sure, and then it had a pump. It just pumped today, probably a nice like 20% or something, like 10%. Nice little pump right there. Good job. So I'd like to see. Let's see how much value locked. Oh, that could be an issue too. If they had more value locked, more people might want to interact with it. But I know it's hard times right now in a bear market, so the team might not have a lot of extra money to put into this right now. So I would definitely keep an eye on this because all it needs is more volume to be successful. More value locked, more marketing, and just more people buying it. I might buy some. Just let's go buy it. Let's do it. Let's go buy a little bit of it right now. We're gonna buy one ICP worth of Box token right now. We're just going to because it looks like a pretty interesting price to get in. We're also at $5 with our ICP. Let's see, is that a good amount? 969.281. All right. So legit. All right. Let's help them out a little bit. I know it's not a lot. Can't really do a lot, but I can do that. I can do one ICP for now. And this is something like I'll dollar cost average in. I don't have to put all my money in. They're not going anywhere, so I'm gonna put a little bit at a time where I think it's good, purchase price. I definitely like to support my favorite projects, and sometimes I don't get around to it right away, but I will eventually, and I like to be reminded if need be. Definitely. So this is definitely a good crypto. I wouldn't have just bought it right now, no matter how much I like someone. If it's a crappy crypto, like I'm here to make money too. So this is the best of both worlds. I get to help the homie, but I also get a good crypto. That especially buying it in the bottom of or close to the bottom of the bear market. I'm probably going to get some gains off of this. So, and then I'll dollar cost average, get in some more, and we will be good. Hope you guys are having a great day today. It is Sunday, the end of our weekend. And I hope you guys understand that right now is probably one of the hardest times to be in crypto. I'll let this just finish up and talk to you guys for a second. It's hard to be in crypto right now. And why I say that, we've already had our bottom, right? And now people are saying that we haven't had it yet, right? See, waiting for the bottom, it's hard, but it's not as hard as after we actually have the bottom to realize that we've had the bottom and for everybody to agree. If you ask, 75% of people would say we've had our bottom right now, but we still have a nice big chunk, maybe even 25 to 30% of people still think we have a bottom to come. I've heard it over and over and over. And today's Bitcoin pumping is kind of telling us we don't need to go down further. We've had our bottom. We've seen our altcoins go down 98%. Yeah, we watched our altcoins from 2021, November 2021, till January of 2023. We watched it go down 90 some percent. Almost every altcoin on the board. And we went through that, and that was hard, but it's not as hard as right now because we know the bull run is coming. We know it's there. We're trying to prepare for it. We're getting ready for it. We're doing everything we need to, but then it still doesn't come. And it seems like it's far out, but it's not. It will be here. Time flies so fast. It will be here, and we will, as long as you're buying ICP, storing it in your cold storage wallet somewhere or on the NNS, you'll be okay. Then once that bull market comes, start to transfer your ICP over to Coinbase, take your profits, wait for the next bull market, bear market to come, load up again. That's my plan. I'm going to take all my profits in this next coming bull market, probably around November of 2025. I might take a little profit before then, but I'm getting out by November 2025. Traditionally, that's when we pump to the highest. October to December 2025. That's where I'm going to prepare to sell all of it. Wait for, I'm thinking mid 2026, maybe even 2027 before I buy. I'm going to wait for a bottom, and ICP's bottom is going to be around $15 to $20. I bet you it's 16. Let's say that right now. Not this bull market. We had a 336 bottom this bear market. The next bear market, our bottom is going to be $16.12. That's my prediction. So, hey, what's up, man? We got Meta Owl. Go follow Meta Owl and me on District, which is a decentralized social media for internet computer. Get over there. Follow us. For sure. All right, now let's get to some ICP price. Then we might look at the Bitcoin price real quick. First off, we want to look at the volume. Okay, we're at $5 right now. A nice round price, nice, really solid level of support at $5. People believe in a $5 ICP in a bear market. It's on over 404,000 watch lists, 29 rank out of every crypto in existence. Now, we have a $2.18 billion market cap. We have a almost $21 million 24-hour volume. We're up about 5% from yesterday. We have a 436 million circulating supply. That's not that bad. It's verified through the Coin Market Cap team. Yeah, so legit. Now, we have a massive falling wedge right here that we've been in for a very, very long time, and luckily we haven't broke below it. Now, there is a possibility that we're in some sort of a descending, broadening wedge. You could even say right there. Okay, let's see. Is that bullish or bearish? It's been a long time since I've messed with that. Descending, broadening wedge. Ooh, it's bullish though. So even, okay, we have a descending broadening wedge right here, which is bullish. And we have a lot of points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 points for a descending, and that's bullish. So whether we have that or whether, okay, I need to pull that down a little bit. We have it right there, and we don't really even count the 10 weeks we were below, then we do have a falling wedge. So whether it's a descending broadening wedge or a falling wedge, we are getting ready to go to the upside, at least up to about 652. We've hit our bottom now. This is what I think is going to happen. This is my prediction. Okay, we had our nice pump back there. We had a big old dump off. Bitcoin dumped, went down to 26K, brought us to the bottom of this falling wedge, broke us down from serious support. Actually, on the weekly, we are below our simple moving average on the weekly, which is very, very bad. But we're not too far below it. We're at 43.85, and the simple moving average is at 44.82. So we are about 0.98 below, which is not too bad. That's considered testing still, within 1 point. Now, if we get to be 2 to 3 points away, we can start to worry a little bit, but this looks like we are testing this as support, even as we have been. This is the bottom of the falling wedge. We actually had Another falling wedge on the shorter candles right here, which is also leading to a breakout right now. We are testing this $5 support. Since we broke $5, we are going to have to prove ourselves kind of right here. It's turned maybe into resistance, but our EMA 9 is at 527. That's going to be our big area to watch after we get above 527. Now let's look at this EMA 21 on the weekly. And that is right above it at 542. So yeah, we really need to get above these levels in order to be bullish. So we are still not out of the woods yet. Well, we still could break down from this level, but it's looking like with Bitcoin pumping, we are going to reverse. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick and see what it's doing so that we can compare to what ICP is doing. It's not going to follow it exactly because we're in a weird place in the market right now, and the dominance doesn't affect it as much, and it doesn't affect it as much going up either. So yeah, we have like an ascending triangle right here on Bitcoin. We had a nice big breakout way back there. Okay, this is a weekly. Let's go to the daily. Don't pay attention to all those scribbles. I don't even remember what that was. Look at that breakout though on the daily. We have a higher high now. So this is, you follow the trend. The trend is your friend till the end. Okay. Boom. Now we're in an uptrend, a nice big uptrend. We broke above our simple moving average on the RSI. We're starting to get a little bit overbought, but not quite. We can still go up quite a bit higher, even to 29,500 to test it. Most likely scenario, we're going to go about sideways for a little while, establish, confirm support again on the support that we lost. We do have a big area of resistance on Bitcoin right there, but it's looking bullish on Bitcoin. So if we transfer that over to ICP right now, this looks like we're at the bottom of the wedge on the year-long one and our month-long one, which means we're probably going to have a reversal right here. So you have one more chance to get your ICP at under $5 right now. It's at $4.98 now, financial advice. But guys, if you're looking to get ICP at under $5 when we're at $8, $9, yeah, you're going to want to have that. So definitely at a good time. And these tokens as well. Don't sleep on these tokens. When ICP is only a few bucks each, you can get your hands on some tokens as well. Get as many tokens as you can. When ICP rides up, these tokens ride up as well. So get a handful of Box token. Get a handful of Chat token. Get a handful of CKBTC. Set yourself up for success for the next bull market. Right now is the time to do it. And you're going to see, I'm going to come back and show you guys this in a couple weeks. And I'm going to show you nice pumps like I do before when we were buying down over here. Now we're way up into there. So pretty cool. Yeah. Now let's get back into ICP. All right. Let's look at the shorter time frame now. Let's get to the daily, and then we're going to call this a day here pretty quickly. Yeah, this big, look at that. On the daily, it just shows us even more this, falling wedge pattern. We're getting, you could even say it's a symmetrical triangle. I like to call it more of a falling wedge, but it does look like it's intersecting right there. So either way, it's kind of squeezing to, it's got to break out one way or another. And we did get back above the simple moving average on the daily, which is the start to getting it up on the weekly as well. Very, very good start. So I definitely like to see that. Yeah, things are looking good. I really think that we have hit a bottom at 480. We have started a trend upward on the daily. And this is what I'm saying. We have this big downtrend right here. And then we get a bottom. And now we broke the trend, right? The trend was going down, 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 sideways, down, sideways, sideways, up, up. That breaks the trend. I know we kind of had a little bit of up here, but this is the bottom that we're going to, be having right here. There is a chance, that we do go right back down and break 480. I mean, that's always a chance, but no, we're testing this support right here, or resistance right here at $5. 498 to be exact, 4985. We've actually just broke above the EMA 9, and then we need to get to 513. So what I think is going to happen, I think we're going to break this. I think we're going to get up to about 525, test that. And if we can break that, I can see us going all the way up to about 550. We will test 550 because there's another pretty big area of resistance right around $5.50 right here. So if we do get a breakout of, this falling wedge, symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it, then we could possibly see higher highs. If we do go up to about 508, get rejected, we could see about another 480. But with us being above the simple moving average, that's a bullish indicator for me. Let's actually get the Bollinger Band out here real quick. Let's get rid of the EMA 21. Let's get the Bolly out so we can find out. What's that, man? What's going on, man? Oh, that's not what I wanted. Whoops. Whoopsies. Okay, how do I get rid of that? Okay, I want that gone. Nope, that was the wrong Bollinger Band. Come on, man. Oh, that's Bollinger Band strategy. That's why. There it is. There it is. That's what I want to see. So yeah, we are at the bottom of the Bollinger as well. It's starting to open up a little bit, which is good. We want to see us get above 510, 513. That's going to be a big area to break above. And if we break that, we're going to be bullish. Okay? If we fail to break that, we might actually go down and test $5 again. We break $5 or fail to break it even right now. We go down to 480 again. And it breaks our trend. But I really think since we are above that EMA 9 on the daily, we're doing pretty good until that breaks. So I'm going to say we're in an uptrend. The trend is your friend till the end. And I'm going to stick with that. It's never led me wrong. Okay, now on the 4 hour, we are in an uptrend. Boom. That's what I was saying. The trend's your friend till the end. We are above the median on the Bollinger, which is what we want to see on the daily. We want to see this uptrend continue. And if it does, like I said, we'll test about 510, get up there, and then we might see 520. This might be your last chance to get your ICP at under $5. Realistically. I'm just telling you that. Not telling you to go buy it. Just saying you might not be able to get it under $5 again. We're bouncing off this nicely, making a nice uptrend here above the simple moving average. Things are looking good on the shorter time frame. Let's look at the 1 hour. Again, ascending triangle after ascending triangle, kind of wonky, going down a little bit. Yeah, this is really crazy patterns here. It's not establishing. Okay, well, I mean, it's weird, but we are getting higher highs. We're getting like these bull flagish, or just really big candles, and then reversal. Big candle, reversal. We're starting to get a little overbought here, but we still can go a little bit higher and break out. What we want to do is go up higher and break out. But we are above some nice moving averages on the 1 hour. We're above the EMA 9. We're above the Bollinger simple moving average, median price. We're above the simple moving average on the RSI. Shorter time frames are telling us we are bullish. And Bitcoin, it keeps going higher. And as long as, Bitcoin just keeps going up and up and up, we're going to be good. We're going to see higher highs, higher lows. We're gonna recover. We're gonna see a breakout right at about 513, 515. If we do fail to break, there is a chance we test $5 and then even 480 again. That is the box area. If we break 510, we're gonna go upwards. If we break 480, like 460, you can go wick down to 470. You can wick up to 520 and still get rejected. Sometimes those areas of breakout are, questionable. But if we break out with volume, if we see the internet computer go from 20 million up to 50 million volume, break out at 515, 520 with, say, 50 million in volume, we're going to do good. Same at 480. If we break down with 50 million or more in volume, we are going to go down further. So watch that volume, watch 510, watch 513 in that area, and it's going to let you know which way it's going to go. Keep an eye. All you have to do, go over to CoinMarketCap, look at ICP. It tells you the volume very easily. Just boom, over here, CoinMarketCap, very top of the page. Here is your volume right here. Look for about 50 mil for a breakout. Even like if it does go to 40 mil, keep an eye out. A nice, double the price right here. We could see a breakout. So that's pretty much all we have for today. There's a lot of cool things happening. Definitely keep an eye on the channel. We're going to have the guys from Boxy Token on the channel on June 11th. So you're going to want to be here for that. That's going to be on the Sunday, June 11th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're also going to have Boxed Animals, Unbearable's team. Boxed Animals is going to be over here on the 2nd. We are doing giveaways on Twitter. We're doing a lot of big things. That's why I'm hoping my Twitter will get up or not my Twitter. My Twitter's doing amazing. We just had 100 new followers this week. But my YouTube, man, YouTube, go on, work with me, man. Give me impressions. Start showing my videos in the right place. I don't know. I know my channel's definitely capable of 50 likes. We just got to get our momentum moving. Same with crypto. You know how much I've noticed that a YouTube channel is a lot like crypto? We have our spikes, we have our dumps, we have our parabolic rises. We get paid, we lose money. Well, we don't really. Time is money, so we lose time, we lose money. We don't make money, we're losing money. So technically, we can lose money too by not making it, right? So I just think everything's good. Oh, it's a bit sad. I'm sorry. Well, it's going to get better, man. This is, it always is the darkest before the light. I know that's so corny, but it's true. And it gets the worst before it gets better. Like we were testing, $5 again. People are thinking, oh, are we going to see a $3 ICP? No, I'm telling you. I told you we wouldn't. When it went to 480, now is the time to get in. Now, right now. And I tell you guys that. I can't give you financial advice, but I can tell you when the good time to get in crypto is. And at 480, under $5, this is the time, guys. Don't sleep on it. You might never, ever see ICP at $5 again. All right, guys. That being said, goodbye and good ICP. Bam! Contest is still going. So the best comment, 0.25 ICP. And if we get 50 likes, I'll give 0.5 ICP to 2 people. The best comments. The live chat or the comments afterwards. All right. Bang.